Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about making your financial life a little easier. Let's face it, we all love a little extra wiggle room when it comes to our credit, right? It's like finding that forgotten $20 bill in your pocket. Today's video will unlock the secrets of increasing your credit limit even if you're just starting out on this credit journey. Trust me, it's gonna be epic. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, subscribe for more monetary excellence. Before we explore the ways to skyrocket your credit limit, let's first understand how this whole shebang works. So here's the deal. Credit limit increases are like a reward for being a responsible credit card user. The more trustworthy you are with your payments and the longer you've had your card, the better your chances of scoring that limit boost. Now let's demystify the process of how your credit limit is determined. 1. Your income and employment stability. Card issuers consider your income level and employment history to assess your ability to manage credit. 2. Your credit history and score. The credit gods analyze your credit history and score to determine how responsible you've been with your finances. Remember, a solid credit score can open doors to higher credit limit. 3. Debt to income ratio. Your card issuer examines the ratio between your outstanding debt and your income. A lower ratio indicates better financial health and increases the chances of a higher credit limit. Now, the million-dollar question, does requesting a credit increase impact your credit score? Well, my friend, I have good news. The simple act of requesting a credit limit increase typically doesn't have a major impact on your credit score. However, keep in mind that some card issuers may perform a hard credit inquiry, which could have a minor temporary impact. Now, pros and cons of a higher credit limit. Just like any financial decision, there are some risks and downsides to consider when asking for a credit limit increase. Let's dive into that side of the coin. Pros. 1. Flexibility in handling emergencies. 2. Increased purchasing power. And 3. Boost to credit utilization ratio. Cons. 1. Temptation to overspend. 2. Potential for increased debt. And 3. Higher risk of financial mismanagement. Now, let's answer a burning question. Do card issuers increase your credit limit automatically? Well, my friend, the answer is, it depends. Card issuers may review your account periodically and reward you with automatic credit limit increases if they see you've been managing your credit responsibly. However, it's important to note that automatic increases aren't guaranteed. So if you're aiming for a higher credit limit, don't be afraid to take matters into your own hands and make that polite request we talked about earlier. Next, how long will it take to get the increase? Well, there's no definitive answer as it varies depending on your card issuer and individual circumstances. In some cases, you might receive an immediate increase if you have a strong credit history and a good relationship with your card issuer. However, in other cases, it might take a few months or even longer for your request to be processed and approved. To get a rough estimate, it's best to check with your card issuer directly. And there you have it, my friend, a whirlwind adventure through the world of credit limit increases. Remember, it's not just about the number on your credit card, it's about mastering the game of credit and using it to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable tips on improving your financial goals. See you in the next video.